in Motamachi here in Yokohama to see the Gundam Factory.
Oh, it's so lovely here.
You know, I just realized something. I realized that this park is very similar to a park in the game Yakuza Like a Dragon. And I think it's built the same way. But it's like, this is the oh, there it is. What are we up to today?
We are going to see the Gundam.
The what?
Gundam.
The what?
The Gundam.
The Gundam. The Gundam.
That's how you say it, isn't it?
Gundam.
Gundam.
Oh, you can say Gundam.
Gundam.
Say whatever you want. Gundam.
We've had a lovely
That's actually, that's
1 hour.
I think that's how I'm going to say it actually.
We've had a 1 hour drive. Train ride here, where I had about 100 layers of clothing on, so I took them off. But actually, it's quite cold, isn't it?
Oh, it started. Where are we at?
We are at Hotel New Grand.
New Grand.
New Grand. We are in
Look at the boat to your right.
Yokohama. I didn't want to pronounce it wrong. I couldn't remember the name, but oh look, there's a lovely rose garden there.
There's Hotel New Grand.
Oh, that's pretty. We've had quite a lovely day, and now we're going to the Noodle Museum.
And it's starting to get into sunset.
It is quite chilly, but look, I'm so prepared today.
So pretty.
Got my gloves.
We're on the way to the Nissin Cup Museum, Cup Noodles Museum, and after that we're gonna go to Chinatown.
Yeah.
Look at the color in the sky, it's so beautiful.
Do you know, this actually really reminds me of Singapore. Just the water's edge and...
Yeah, but Singapore is never this temperature.
No, it's never this cold. It is actually really cold.
It's not that bad. It's like 14 degrees. It's really not that bad.
On. These are the thermal gloves that I wore in Iceland, so don't listen to Ish. Cold, 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 cold.
It's not that cold.
These little pigeons.
Wow. Look at this. Huh? Gonna go make our cup noodles now. Alright, so we're making cup noodles.
So
They're quite cool. So we're gonna design them and yeah, make our noodles. Brown Santo.
And we both got our names on it.
So yeah, so now we're gonna go
I'm gonna go cheese because I think it's going to be ultimate. No, should we have just walk around? Should we go down that street straight away? Straight ahead. Straight away.
Look how cool that vibe of that street is. So man, tell me, how's the experience of Yokohama so far?
It's been a great day actually. We've done so much. We made these noodles, cup noodles. And we just had a really good Chinese dinner.
What is the charge? Eating a meal? A succulent Chinese meal?
Off the beaten track. And now we are making our way an hour back to Tokyo. And then
And I need you. And I miss you.
and we might go out later, but a certain person is a bit tired. So
Tired of her bullshit.
but oh look, and so coming up next year is my year.
Okay.
Year of the dragon, most important zodiac animal. And over here, straight ahead, you can see an array of golden and red lamps that are in the shape of a dragon. It's really cool. Let's check that out. Bubs, how do you feel?
Like I've been smashed in the ass by a sumo wrestler. I think most places are closed.
This is open. That's open. Yeah.
It's pretty vibey.
Yes.
Cheers.
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 Day 2.
Day 2, getting lit. Oh, that's nice.
Ooh.
Having a ginger, whiskey ginger. That's good. This is spicy and nice.
Oh. Oh, I think that might be up there with a new favourite drink. But also, I feel like they make their own ginger ale.
All right, last one's at the bar. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. We are now in Tokyo Kabukicho Tower. Just having a little quick little bite and a highball. Try it. So this is Rin's third drink, and she hasn't even started it, and she's pretty wasted already.
I'm not wasted. I'm not wasted.
Alex, take your drink. Okay.
Wait. You didn't cheers, bro. Didn't cheers.
Sorry. Ooh.
Cheers.
Cheers. I think this is my new favourite drink, honestly. Hi, Bowlin. Down.
Alright, so now after a night out, well not really a night out, but a few drinks, we gotta decide whether we are going to have Macca's or 7-Eleven. So do the honors, Bubs. 3, 2, 1, go. Are you happy or sad? You're sad.
I mean, I do
Okay.
want to try
I'm gonna
Macca's,
change
but
the game. Wait.
7-Eleven you can't go wrong.
No, wait, I'm changing the game. The one that it lands on actually is removed, so we do Macca's. So Macca's.
Now let's see who wins. Let's see.
I mean, there's nothing to spin. There's like
There is.
one color.
And Macca's is a winner. It's beginning to look a lot like you.